Hello children, today we are starting our topic determinant. Determinant is a scalar quantity. It may be a real number or a complex number. So we can associate a scalar, a constant quantity for square matrix. Let A is any square matrix. So here we are using a square bracket there for matrix sign. Aij is the element symbol, and here it is of order n. We are not writing here n cross n because we have considered square matrix here. Determinant is possible for only square matrix associated number. So if we take a function such that from set m to the set n, where set m is the set of square matrix, and set n is the set of real or complex number, then the resultant fa gives you some number x, and this is determinant for square matrix A. Now just see, if A is a square matrix of one member only, then its determinant is denoted by this sign, or you can say this, and answer will be the same member as this is the square matrix of 1 cross 1 order. This is known as determinant A. Please, this is not modular sign. Very much different than modulus. Means if A is complex number, you don't have to take its modulus here. It is same value as given inside the determinant sign. Okay. Now, if A is a 2 cross 2 matrix, then value of determinant A can be determined by multiplying main diagonal member, then subtraction sign, then other diagonal member. So after solving it, you are getting -2. If we are taking (3 cross 3) matrix, then we can solve its determinant by using any row or any column. Before solving this determinant, now I am going to tell you about minor and cofactor. So minor is a determinant associated with any element and getting a determinant by deleting the row and column of that member or that element. So if I am finding minor for element A, symbolically you can write minor for A11 is denoted by M11. A11 is the symbol of element placed at first row and first column. So minor for 1 1 is given by a determinant that is EFHI. Just hide the column related to this element and row also. Then whatever element we are getting, the value of its determinant is minor for that element. If we are talking about cofactor, then it is I plus j exponent of -1 with minor. Means you have to evaluate minor, then apply sign plus or minus according to addition of row and j place. So you will get cofactor. Cofactor is denoted by capital Aij or sometimes Cij also. So expansion of this determinant is written as Aij summation j goes from 1 to 3. I is any constant you can take, either 1 or 2 or 3. If I am taking 1, then I am getting A11 plus A12 plus A13. This is the value of determinant of 3 cross 3 order. J I am putting 1, 2 and 3 here. J, value of j is 1, 2, 3 and I have taken a constant as 1. Or if I am taking I as 2, then it will become A21 plus A22 plus A23. Or if I want to open it column wise, then it is also possible and it gives also the same value that can be written in symbolic form. Now I goes from 1 to 3 and you can write Aij. Now I am writing in column way. That means I am putting j as a constant number. Any constant number you can take, either 1 or 2 or 3. Then A11 plus A21 plus A31. So you can expand a determinant by using any column or any one row. Now we are finding value of this 3 cross 3 determinant by using any of this expression. Either we can use first row or second row or first column, second column, any. So I am expanding it by first row. So here first I have to write element number 1, that is A, then applying sign according to cofactor -1 to the power 1 plus 1. Why we are taking 1 plus 1? Because this place is first row and first column. So plus sign will be there before this. Then after deleting this column and this row, we are getting these 4 members. So this 2 by 2 determinant we can solve by cross multiplying the number EI minus FH. Then secondly, for B, the sign for this place is 1, 2. First row and second column. So first plus 2, 1 plus 2 gives you -1 value from here. So minus value, then delete the column and row of this. So 4 member we are getting D, F, G, I. Cross multiplying them, DI minus FG. For third element C, this place is 1, 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, so sign will be positive, so we are taking plus sign. Then after eliminating this column and this row, we are getting 4 member D, E, G, H. So value is DH minus EG. So this is the value of this determinant. Now we are solving it by Sarnes diagram. This is another method to find value of determinant. So in this way you have to write this is your elements given inside the matrix. Then write first two column again in the same way. A, D, G and B, E, H I have written there. Then multiplying them diagonally. When you are taking this diagonal, then consider the positive sign before them. When we will consider this diagonal, then negative sign. So AEI plus BFG plus CDH, all three positive. Then GEC H F A and IDB. After solving this, we can get value of determinant as same we got previously. So this is easiest method and direct method, but we prefer solving by this method in 12th board class. So whenever questions arises in board class, if you are preparing about, then solve it by this method of element into cofactor.